If you manage property of any sort, be it a B&B or any other sort of property for short-term rental, you are in the right place. I'm going to show you how you can easily manage everything you need to manage within hosting and renting property for short term. We're going to have a look at Guesty, and we're also going to have a look at Lodgify and see which one is the better option for your business. So let's get into it. Guesty is a comprehensive property management platform designed specifically for short-term rental hosts. So with Guesty, you can manage your bookings, your guests, your properties, all from one single dashboard. It's a fantastic tool for hosts who would like to streamline all of their operations and improve just their overall guest experience. Some of the key features of Guestify include multi-calendar management, which allows you to manage bookings across multiple properties and calendars. It also allows for automated communications. This means you can send personalized messages to guests as well as other hosts. You also get payment processing, which allows you to process your payments securely and efficiently. And then, of course, your integrations with popular booking platforms. So, of course, you can connect with Airbnb, VRBO, and so many more just to make your life a lot easier. So, who is Guestify really focused on? Well, if you want to manage multiple properties, then you are part of Guestify's target audience. If you would like to improve your guest communication, you are part of their target audience. And if you need robust payment processing, you are part of their target audience. Let's have a look at Lodgify and what it has to offer. So Lodgify is another popular property management tool, and this is designed more for short-term rental hosts. With Lodgify, you can create a professional website for your properties, you can manage your bookings, and you can streamline your operations. Now, it is a great tool for hosts who want to establish a strong online presence and improve their bookings and their conversion rates. However, if you don't have any website building experience, then it might be a bit of a steeper learning curve for you. If you want to have a look at some of the features they have to offer, we can consider the customizable website builder. Of course, you can create professional websites for your properties given you have a little bit of experience or background with web design. You also get a multiple calendar management system, which allows you to manage your bookings across all of your property and calendars. You have automated communication. You can send personalized messages to your guests, and this is fantastic because you don't always get the chance to sit down and type out a detailed message, so it's all done for you. And also, it does offer integrations with other platforms, as we mentioned previously. So, who is Lodgify's target audience? Well, if you would like your own professional website that is focused on property rental, then Lodgify allows you to customize a website and helps you to build that website. If you need to manage multiple properties, Lodgify has a multi-calendar feature which will allow you to make it easy to manage all of your properties in one single space. If you want to improve your booking conversion rate, Lodgify, of course, is there for you. They have automated communication features which helps you ensure that your guests receive timely updates as well as it being personalized. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is the better option for you? Are you a big gunner, or are you just renting out or managing a few small properties? Let us know in the comment section below which one you feel will suit your needs best, and we will see you next time. Peace.